This is chapter 2, relation and function of class 11. We have already discussed sets, its types and operation on set. Now we'll discuss relation. But before starting a concept of relation, we should know certain terms related to that. And here we have the first term, order pair. Order pair we have already used for representing points where x coordinate and y coordinate, isn't it? So इसमें sequence बहुत important होता है. That's why it is named as order. Order means sequence. यहाँ पे x is a first member, y is a second member. In set, if I consider a set xy, इसमें तो xy is same as set yx. इसमें तो कोई ऑर्डर को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते हम. बट व्हेन आई राइट a comma b in open bracket, this is called order pair where a is the first member and b is second member. So a comma b is not same as b comma a. So it is not commutative. So it is important. What is Cartesian product? Let's check. If A and B, we have two sets A and B are non-empty set, then set of all order pairs is called Cartesian product. For example, if I write A cross B, this is a notation for Cartesian product. It is set of all AB such that your A comes from first set A and your B comes from second set B. We'll discuss this concept in detail. सपोज करिए कि हमारे पास एक सेट है ए है विच इज़ नॉन एम्प्टी सेट. उसके मेंबर्स है A1, A2, A3 and we have one more set B which is having element B1, B2, B3 and B4. So your set A contains 3 members and B contains 4 members. Let's try to write Cartesian product of A and B. इसका मतलब तो हमें समझ में आया है. हमें एक मेंबर यहाँ से उठाना है, एक मेंबर यहाँ. So we will make pairs open bracket. Look at the bracket. यहाँ से A1 लिया, A1 के साथ B1. Repeat. Again A1 के साथ B2. Change the pair. Again A1. So A1 with all, A2 with all, A3 with all, but the first member should be from the first set. So B2, A1, B3, A1, B4. Like this we will continue. Then A2, B1, A2, B2, A2, B3, A2, B4 and the last one A3 with all, A3, B1, A3, B2, A3, B3, A3, B4. So this is how we got the Cartesian product. Close the curly bracket. Means your A cross B or a Cartesian product of A and B contains how many elements? Now order pair is a single member, isn't it? So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how do you know how many members are there in A cross B? I want to know number of elements in A cross B. It is same as how many elements in A. We have here number of elements in A 3 and number of elements in B 4. So indirectly it is n of A into n of B. So that is 3 into 4, 12 members. And here we have 12 members in this set. Look at this question. Here we are supposed to find A cross B as well as B cross A. How to read it? A Cartesian product of AB and Cartesian product of BA. For that we have a given set A which contains AB and B which contains XYZ. We can use the simple technique to find it. We'll take set A here. So set A contains 2 members, A and B, and set B contains 3 members, X, Y, Z. So we'll write order pairs. So members from first set and member from second set. So here I can have order pair AX, A with Y, A with Z, then B with X, B with Y, B with Z. So can I list this A cross B? यहाँ से फर्स्ट मेंबर है ये A with all, A with X, A with Y, then A with Z. Again B with X, B with Y, B with Z. So like that we have finished all order pairs, and number of elements in this is 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. Similarly we can find B cross A. So this is just for understanding, isn't it? B cross A. So X with all. So X with A, X with B, X with C, then Y with A, Y with B, so Y with both over. Now Z with both AB, Z with A, Z with B. So like that again we got how many elements? 2 3s are 6 elements. But here you can compare. AX is here and here is XA. As you know that AX is not same as XA because it is order pair. So by that rule, if elements are not equal, then sets are also not equal. So your Cartesian product A cross B is not same as B cross A. So what we got one property. So Cartesian product is not commutative. Commutative का meaning क्या होता है कि we cannot change the order, isn't it? So A cross B is not same as B cross A. What does it mean? Cartesian product is not. Can we represent same set in the diagrammatic format? Cartesian product? Yes, we can. As we have A contains member AB and your B contain member X, Y and Z. So I can show it in the picture form in arrow diagram. A contains member A and B, whereas B contains, this is set A, this is set B. B contains X, Y and Z. Now I want a relation or I want a order pair. So A with X, then A with Y and A with Z. So A with all. Now B with X, B with Y, B with Z. This is called arrow diagram to represent Cartesian product A cross B. We will check one more example where we have A, B and C and we are supposed to determine Cartesian product of A with B intersection C. So in order to find this Cartesian product, look at here. First of all, we need B intersection C. Start with that. B intersection C.